Okay, everyone, good evening and welcome once again. This is Okoli Emmanuel, and in this video, I'll be talking to you about one of our retiree friends. He's in Lagos, actually. He's been about 1 year now in annuity, all right? It was about a year ago that he onboarded into annuity. He met us on Facebook and he reached out and then he said, Mr. Emmanuel, I want to migrate to annuity. I want to convert to annuity and I don't want to come to your office. I said, why not? His name is CA. I'll call him Mr. CA. All right, that is the initials. I've not seen him before, but we've been friends. We've been talking. But even right now, we just had a chat before I came on this video. You know, like I said, he's done annuity for, and he's so happy he did. He's so happy he migrated, and he was so happy he never had to come to the office. Everything was done 100% online. And then he's telling me about one of his brothers who needs to come to over to annuity, and then he's talking to him to send relevant documents so he can process the whole stuff for him and all that. So anyways, the purpose of this video is basically to talk to you about something this man does, Mr. CA. In addition to being on annuity with us, he actually decided to go ahead and create another policy. We call it the Heirs Triple Pay plan. All right, this policy is a savings plan that helps many retirees, and in fact anybody for that matter, to begin to save money consistently and protect their family while at it. For retirees, this is the solution to the question of what happens to my children after the first 10 years of annuity. What some retirees do is that they take advantage of other products, because the money you get in annuity is higher than what you are getting in program withdrawal. So the difference, right, can actually be used to create another policy if you so desire, if you want to protect your children. Because in this other savings account, Heirs Triple Pay, there's what you call life cover on it, okay? It's a protection plan that allows you to save frequently, maybe monthly or quarterly or half yearly or yearly, as the case may be. But as you are doing that, there are some millions, depending on the amount you're saving, some millions kept aside for your relatives. For your beneficiary, your beneficiaries, yeah, your wife, your kids, your husband, whoever you name as a beneficiary, they are protected with a larger amount in millions most of the time, called sum assured. That amount is kept as protection so that if life happens to you, the retiree, or anybody else who's having the policy, the family gets that lump sum. So it's a win-win. So Mr. CA is on annuity and is also saving 50,000 naira every single month. In fact, he just sent, the one for this month. You can take a look at the screen at my camera. You see there. So anybody out there, whether you're a retiree or not, you can actually have a policy that enables you to save money, gradually for a project. Right? The lowest tenure is 6 years duration, okay? And when you begin to do that, you are saving, you are protecting your family, and then you are also going to get a bonus at the end of the tenure. And the good news is that in this plan, you also have 2 windows to withdraw partially if you want to. On year 2 and year 4, you can take 25% of your target amount if you desire to, but if you don't want to, you can leave it there till the 6th year. You take everything out, and then you also get your bonus. Oh, so amazing. And the joy is that you are protected, your family is secured. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows what happens tomorrow. We don't pray for anything bad to happen. But then if anything does go wrong, you are sure that your beneficiaries, your family members, they are not going to be stranded. If nothing goes wrong, at the end, you take all the money you've saved, and then you have the bonus as well. So send me a DM if you like to have an account, a policy with us. The Heirs Triple Pay policy. And then you want to save towards a target. Maybe it's to buy a land, to buy a car, to travel abroad, or for your children's education, secondary or university, or you want to even send them abroad, or whatever it is you want to do, but you want to plan for it, right? You need to begin to save gradually towards it, and then you'll be glad you did. Reach out to me, the numbers on the screen. I'll be glad to guide you through the process. Thank you. Bye.